Your emptiness begins. Once I grip onto your mind and soul.